Good morning, guys. So we're starting our hike today on the bridge. All right, so yesterday when we got back to the campground, we looked up that insect that is on all the beech trees. And the first sign, if you're looking down, is this black stuff. And then up here, which is honeydew. These insects actually produce honeydew, which falls to the ground and does that. And then up here is the white, I forget the name, but I'll put the name right here of the insect. But we looked up, they say they don't harm the trees, like they won't kill the trees, but you can see it does kind of kill the leaves, but I guess it won't kill the tree. When they're in danger, they start to dance. So I'm gonna show you right now. You can see they're not moving. Up there are, but right here they're not. So what I'm gonna do is see if you can see if they start moving, if I kind of shake it a little bit. Look at that. Hopefully you guys can see.
Oh, wow.
So in the springtime, where I'm walking is probably a little creek. My dad and my brother are actually on the real trail. And this is probably a small creek when there's actually water here. You can see where it's kind of down. And then this is the actual path going that way. Yeah, it's that way. And then this way is the creek. Well, right now you can kind of go either way because the trail follows the creek. So this morning we rode our bikes to the beginning of the trail, and on the way here was easy because it was all pretty much downhill. Now after about a 5.5-hour day hike, we are riding back and it's all uphill. So we're definitely getting our workout today. It's nice when you're in the shade though. It's a beautiful day. All right, hey guys, so we made it back. It was another long day. I thought today wasn't going to be as long as yesterday, but we did shave off a half hour. Here's like, we kept kind of track. Here's like the app that we have. We were actually over here. This is like the campsite, if you can barely see that. And this is all this red squiggly lines is what we did today. So I didn't start the clock until we got over here. And we actually rode our bikes on the highway and then got in, parked our bikes, and then got in there. But it was another good day. Lots of, so today, we did almost 9 miles. And yeah, and I never, once I started the hike, I never stopped it. So we hiked for 5.5 hours, but we took breaks. You know, I didn't hit pause every time. Yeah. We took a break because we found a couple nice spots to sit down and just eat some, relax a little bit. It was a really good day of hiking. A little bit of everything. That's why I love the campsites or the places that we stay where it is a mix of everything. Like we have the river walk, we got to go in the canyons, a couple caves, and so it was like cooler, even though it was a hot day like today.
Yeah, the sun never hardly touched you.
Yeah, not at all. There's definitely fish in the river, and we did see a couple kayakers. If you're on this area, kayaking would be something fun to do. Man, what another good day. So this is Turkey Run State Park in Indiana, and then right around us there's Shades State Park, which is a really good one, and then Raccoon. Is that a state park too?
Yeah.
So there's lots of good areas to camp around this. So we definitely have to come back another time.
Those are the top 3 within 15 miles of each other.
Yeah.
So,
and there's a lot of good hikes on there. So I mean, this is our last day, so I think this is going to be it. Tomorrow we are leaving, and then we might do one little small hike in the morning and then take off from there. But other than that, we're just relaxing the rest of the day. How tired are you?
I'm not. The only thing I'm tired is my legs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The bottom of my foot.
Yeah.
On my right foot.
Oh, really?
But other than that, yeah, I feel pretty good. Just like, tired, of course. I mean, a little, because, we just hiked all day. But other than that, yeah, it's like a good kind of tired. It's like,
good tired.
No falls, which is good. And there's a couple. It wasn't too dangerous, but there was some spots where you could slip and not get back up if you fell down some of those cliffs. Yeah, I mean, some of those are pretty steep, but we're lucky, so nothing bad happened. Yeah. But there's a lot of good hikes around here. So we had 2 really good days of hiking, and then I think the rest of the day we're just gonna relax. I think we're gonna take a bike ride. We did bring our bikes. There's not any biking trails around here, but we're just gonna ride around the camp area. But anyway, I guess I was gonna make this. We'll probably say goodbye now. We have the fire all ready. All we have to do is pretty much light a match and then get that going. We're gonna cook here again tonight. I think it's the deer steaks.
Deer steaks and hamburgers.
And hamburgers, okay.
And warm up 2 chicken legs.
Nice. Yeah, we didn't finish them all last night. We had a lot of chicken legs last night. So thanks for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. We definitely love hiking and camping, so hopefully you guys enjoyed that. And if you guys are around the area and by like Indiana, there's really 3 good ones right around the state, the Turkey Run. But all right, I guess we'll call that a day. We'll see you guys later, and take care. Bye. So this is our last morning, and last night we actually did see a bunch of raccoons around our area. So this is what happens sometimes when there's dumpsters. They crawl in, the raccoons, and then once they get in, you can see it right there, they can't get out. So we don't know how long that little guy's been in here, but we did put this limb in here. So we're gonna take our little hike and see what happens when we come back. Hopefully he makes it out. Alright, so we just got back from the hike. The stick did its job. The raccoon is gone. And he probably ran back into the woods, which is right there.